When you are going to do engine service, you have to prepare the tools to use on the engine service. After you prepare the tools, you have to prepare the car also. The spanner are very necessary. When you are draining the used oil, you have to use the spanner. And the filter also, filter wrench is important because you will remove the oil filter. This is an oil filter wrench to be used when you are removing the filter. Now we are going to see how you prepare the vehicle, because when it is packed long time, you cannot drain direct the oil in the car, because when the oil it is too cold, the viscosity, it is very, very hard to be removed in the engine. You have to drain when it is at the operating temperature. While preparing the car, you have to move the car in some minutes for making a warm-up for engine to be at operating temperature as required. If the car has stopped a long time, you have to start it in 20 minutes or less than that to warm the engine up. Then, after you finish to warm an engine up, you stop it in 5 minutes again, because the oil at high temperature may cause an injury for the technician. That is why you have to let it in 5 minutes to be cool a little. After that, you have to park the car at the flat surface, because if the car is not parked at the flat surface, while draining the oil, it will not be drained totally. That is why you have to park the car at the flat surface. Another thing to do is to clean at every part where there is a drop of oil down there, to check whether there will be a leakage after doing a service. So now you are going to drain the used oil after we park the car at the flat surface. Here we have a car lift that will be used for lifting our car. But if you don't have the car lift, you may park it at the pit, even that is possible. After you park it at the flat surface, you start draining. So now, because I parked here at some hours ago, I am going to start the engine for making warm-up for it. So now the engine is running for making all of the oil to be in a good condition to be drained totally. After the engine will be warm up, I have to stop it and wait a bit for making the oil to be cool, because if you don't make it cool, it may cause you as a technician an effect to be burn you at the skin. That is why you have to let it to be cool a bit of time, like 5 minutes. So now the engine, it is getting at the operating temperature, because as it was started, after that minute there is a change. The engine which is not at the operating temperature, there is some vibration it has, which is different to the vibration it has at operating temperature. So now let me stop the engine and wait that minute to be cool for making a drain. Now you let it to be cooled. Something to show you, it is some part that you are seen up here. There is dipstick, this one. That is very, very necessary. You have to clean it with your oil rag. Put it somewhere. And I have to remove the filler cap. This one. clean it because there is the used oil, and you clean where it is a fitting. Now while waiting that minutes to be cool a little, then after that, I have to lift up my car, then bring the drainer pan to drain the oil. The filler cap must be removed, and this dipstick for spraying the oil outside, because if this dipstick is still there with this filler cap, the oil will not be sprayed out totally. That is why this filler cap and the dipstick must be removed. So now let me lift up my car for making a draining for oil.